wrapped with a bow, stockings overflowing, treats all in a row, table full of all our favorite dishes. Oh, how beautiful our Christmas wishes. Hearts all together, love shining bright, moments of wonder on this Christmas night. Laughter and memories, treasures we hold. This is the magic of Christmas untold. Family arrives with bags and boxes full, children laughing loud, their joy so wonderful. The house alive with warmth and cheer. Oh, what a beautiful time of year. Food put away, wrapped and scattered and torn, children asleep, dreaming of the morn. Family gathered, sharing stories of old, memories and laughter more precious than gold. Candles flicker, lights softly glow, hearts connected, love continues to grow. The magic of Christmas in every smile we see. This day will live in our memories. Hearts all together, love shining bright, moments of wonder on this Christmas night. Laughter and memories, treasures we hold. This is the magic of Christmas untold. Under the starry way, a story was told. Love came to earth, more precious than gold. And in every heart, His promise unfolds. That is the magic of Christmas untold.